Present perfect tense. Achievements in energy conservation. The present perfect tense is used to describe actions that were completed at some point in the past, but the exact time is not specified. When we talk about achievements in energy conservation, the present perfect tense is often used to highlight the progress that has been made in this field. Let's explore some examples of achievements in energy conservation around the world. Many countries have invested in renewable energy sources such as solar panels and wind turbines. For example, Germany has made significant strides in harnessing solar power, with over 1.5 million solar systems installed across the country. In the United States, the city of San Francisco has implemented various energy-saving initiatives, such as mandatory recycling programs and energy-efficient building codes. These efforts have helped reduce the city's carbon emissions and promote sustainability. China, the world's largest producer of greenhouse gases, has also taken steps to improve energy efficiency. The country has invested in high-speed rail networks and electric vehicle infrastructure, reducing its dependence on fossil fuels. Many businesses and industries have adopted energy-saving practices to reduce their environmental impact. For instance, Google has committed to powering its operations with 100% renewable energy and has invested in sustainable data centers. Individuals have also played a crucial role in energy conservation efforts. Many people have switched to energy-efficient appliances and LED light bulbs, reducing their electricity consumption and lowering their carbon footprint. Overall, the present perfect tense is commonly used to highlight the achievements that have been made in energy conservation. By recognizing these accomplishments, we can inspire